We are done with assignments. So, in the previous video, we understood how to create assignments and how to evaluate them. Today, we're going to discuss how to create quizzes. Now, you again, the same old thing. We go to the Create tab and then we click on Quiz Assignment. Now, once you do this, you have the same old fields coming up, a title. So, let's say Quiz 1, any name. Then any instructions that you would like to give, let's say uh, the time duration is, let's say, 10 minutes, anything that you would like to add here. Now, what you see over here is there is a blank quiz Google form that comes up. Now, you can create a quiz using Google form, and this will be really interesting. So, I think it would be nice to take a tour of this. So, what you simply have to do is you have to click on this. So let's go ahead and click it. Now what you're going to see is a blank quiz opening up. So now this is the quiz. You can name it anything. Let's say I call it quiz 1. You can give any descriptions here if you like. Now this is the first question that you would like to give in. Now if you see here, there are a range of choices that you can use. The most frequently used are these ones. So I'm going to pick up each and we're going to understand how you can use them. Now, if you're making a multiple choice question, this is the category that you have to choose. A multiple choice question is one which would have several choices. So now you can frame any question here. Let's say you write for the mathematics people, what is the value of pi? Of course, you can give any question here. Now, this is option one. So here you give the first option. So let's say we write 3.14, which is the right one. Here, option 2, you just have to click and it creates a new option for you. Let's say 4.56. So I'm giving some random numbers here, 9.01, 2.4. Okay, any number of options that you would like to give here. So once this is done, this is your question which has been created. Now what you simply do is you have to click on answer key. What you have to do over here is you assign it some points. So let's say this is of 1 point, again depending on what you would like to write. And what you click on is add answer feedback. So if there is a correct answer, you can write a feedback. So let's say the value is 3.14. Here you can, let's say, add a link to that site that shows how the value is computed. So let's save. And also for an incorrect answer, the value actually is 3.14. Again, you can definitely add a link here that will show you how this value has been computed. I hope this is easy. Now let's try to add in another one. So let's also select the correct value here. So this is the correct value, not this. So this is the correct answer which needs to be clicked on here. Okay, so this is how you could create your first question. Now let's create another question. So let's add a question. So for that, you just have to click on this plus button. So we understood how to create multiple choice questions. Now, if let's say you want to edit it, you can again click over here and you can make any additions that you want. And then you say done. If you want to make it a required question, you will have to click on required. So this becomes a mandatory question now. Now for the others, we will see in the next video.